Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session from the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend you watch the previous video where we talked about the Great Lakes. Now, let's put what you learned to the test. Are there 5 Great Lakes in North America? Yes, there are 5: Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, and Ontario. Do the Great Lakes contain less than 5% of the world's fresh water? No, they hold about 21% of the world's surface fresh water. Are the Great Lakes a major source of drinking water for over 40 million people? Yes, they provide water for millions. Do the Great Lakes connect to the Pacific Ocean? No, they connect to the Atlantic Ocean through the St. Lawrence Seaway. Are the Great Lakes important for transportation and trade? Yes, they play a critical role in shipping goods. Do the Great Lakes support a thriving fishing industry? Yes, both commercial and recreational fishing thrive there. Are cities like Chicago and Cleveland located near the Great Lakes? Yes, they are major cities on the lake's shores. Do the Great Lakes face environmental challenges? Yes, pollution, invasive species, and climate change are major concerns. Are there no efforts to protect the Great Lakes? No, many conservation efforts are underway to protect them. Do the Great Lakes attract tourists from around the world? Yes, they are popular tourist destinations. Remember to watch this video several times to reinforce what you've learned, and subscribe to the channel so you stay updated on the upcoming videos in this wonderful series about learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.